currently working on a force degradation study exposing compounds to different forms of stress and understanding how their stability is impacted. So far, my time here at Insmed has been amazing, and I'm having the opportunity to work alongside industry experts and contribute to such meaningful projects. Insmed culture and everyone in the lab has welcomed me with open arms, and I look forward to the rest of my summer.
With my time at Insmed so far, I have chatted with many people on the team, and one thing that I love about Insmed is how welcoming everyone is. It's a great environment to learn and grow, and I can't wait to learn more at Insmed.
One of the things that I have truly enjoyed during my time here at Insmed is the collaborative nature of our work. Being part of a team that shares the same dedication to making a difference has been inspiring for me.